Welcome to 9520 Hidden Valley Road, a property located in the guarded community here in Beverly Hills. Entering the house, you are welcomed with these high ceilings and a floating staircase. The sitting area of the house is well furnished and has access to the pool and spa area, giving an indoor-outdoor feel to this property. The outdoor part of the house has this unique patio area and features a fireplace. Inside the kitchen, the island is designed with Calcutta marble countertops. Walking up to this iron-framed staircase, you are welcomed to the primary suite of the house, which features a balcony to walk out and get some fresh air. This bedroom includes dual marble-clad bathrooms and custom-made dressing rooms with lots of built-in storage. The bedrooms in this house get tons of natural light and remain bright and warm throughout the day. At the lower level of the house, there is a car garage with tons of space for your motors. And at the same level, you have a fitness studio for your daily workouts. Right beside the studio, you have this huge space that is well furnished and includes a wine cellar, a theater, a bar area, making this a perfect entertainment space. The house is well designed to live with your family as well as to party with your friends. The house completely stands out from the other house in this area and looks astonishing during the dawn. With a total of 7 bedrooms and 12 bathrooms, this house is one of the finest houses in Beverly Hills. And with that being said, we'd like to end this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.